What's up, guys? This is my eBay purchase from last Friday when I had a 20% coupon off everything. I got all this stuff for about $100 shipped. Let's open this up. Shipped from Cali. It didn't ship until freaking Monday. But it was projected to be here on Monday, and I actually showed up today. So let's see what I got for $100. See what's in this box. Upper control arms. Ball joint hardware. Okay, we'll see how that goes on. The brand is called God's Snow. Okay. Rear camber kit. I mean, the quality doesn't look too bad. I mean, I run eBay shit on my EF. This is going on my 99 Civic sedan. Rear brace. Hardware. And a lower control arms. I'm gonna do an install video on this too, but shit, $100? Can't beat that. I mean, honestly, it looks just like any other lower control arms. You can tell that, like, you know, like the finishing is not like the greatest. These bushings are super fucking hard. Yeah. This plate. I mean, I think that's gonna say JDM, but you can tell the quality back here. It's kind of, nah. I mean, it could be better. These look heavy duty. And these upper control arms, I don't know, I mean, they don't look too bad either.